Welcome to the Landis Performance Channel. This Camaro features Ridetech coilover suspension, 4-link rear suspension, eliminating leaf springs, 9-inch rear end, true steer quick steering, and a Bergeson quick ratio box. Under the hood, it's got a ZZ4 383 GM crate motor and 4L75 Cruise Connect transmission. Hooker headers, Holly carb, Wilwood master, frostbite radiator and shroud. Just an awesome running car, and vintage air conditioning to top it off. Just a fantastic operating vehicle. Kind of hard to see on the ground, but you can kind of tell the 9-inch rear end, coilover shocks from Ridetech, no leaf springs because it's a 4-link suspension, and a MagnaFlow 2.5-inch exhaust system. Now, the car was hitting the rear end, so we had rewired the back of the car, and we put new LED lights in the car. They look pretty cool. For the inside of this convertible, we did Dakota digital gauges, and of course the vintage air conditioning, and B&M shifter, which we adapted to the 67 console, which is a kit they don't make. Overall, this thing is a real cool corner carver performance, old school V8 with a drop top. How can you go wrong? Next, we'll be putting new wheels and tires on the car, but for now, she's rolling home. So that's it for the 67 Camaro. It's rolling home, and we'll go on to the next project. See ya!